Telangana government to unveil MSME policy on September 18. The Telangana government is also set to unveil on September 18 its policy for the micro, small and medium enterprises MSMEs. The Chief Minister, Deputy Chief Minister and Industrial Minister will be launching a dedicated policy for MSMEs Industries and its IT Secretary J.S. Ranjan told a Defence and Space Conclave of CII Telangana here on Wednesday. A 100 crore fund to facilitate technology upgradation of defence and aerospace MSMEs is said, adding Telangana possibly would be the first state to provide such an assistance. Don't think any other state in the country is giving money to defense and aerospace MSMEs to improve their technology. They are giving incentives and concessional in power tariff and GST levy, the senior officials said. Mr. Ranjan said at least 60% to 70% users of the proposed MSME policy were expected to be from the defense and allied sectors. Defense manufacturing in Hyderabad began over 6 decades ago and with time emerged as one of the strong points. The state government was keen to build on the manufacturing legacy and pursuing a multi-pronged strategy focused on infrastructure development. J.S. Ranjan speaking at the Defence and Space Conclave of CII Telangana in Hyderabad on Wednesday, setting up exclusive defence and aerospace parks, creating skilled workforce with the recently announced Young India Skills Initiative, a crucial step in that direction, extending incentives to companies setting up new projects and promoting innovations in defense. The center had also decided to establish a full-fledged IDEX in Hyderabad that aimed creating an ecosystem foster innovation in technology development in defense and aerospace through engagement with multi-stakeholders such as industries including MSMEs and startups. Land on lease. Industries Minister Sridhar Babu recently said the state government would consider providing land on lease instead of outright sale to women entrepreneurs under the MSME policy. According to the Invest Telangana website, Telangana is home to about 2.6 million MSMEs. Of them, 5.6 are in rural areas and 44% in urban centers.